So ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to be sharing with you an idea that is a really great concept for you to understand in order to create either your first successful online business or just a general business principle that I think is extremely valuable and will present a lot of opportunities to you. It'll open a lot of doors whenever you're not only looking for new product ideas, but also for when you watch some of my videos, right, where we case study brands that have proven to be successful with their ideas. And I'm talking success in the tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars in sales. So what I'm talking about today is LED lights. Now, LED lights obviously are a very simple idea. Everybody knows about LED lights. And as you see, the trend doesn't lie. This is continuously rising. More and more people are getting into LED lights. Now, obviously, through COVID, it kind of exploded, because people are at home. But the way I view that is that it shows us the potential for the future. Now, I found something quite interesting, though. I was browsing through Shop Hunter, which is an amazing tool. I've been talking about it lately. And I looked up LED, and they have this new Explore feature that's really cool, where you can basically look up any word, and it gives you all sorts of different products across all Shopify stores, basically, that are relevant to the term that you used. So again, I started with this term because I thought LED lights are kind of cool. And I came across this right here. So this LED whip for a boat, for a boat. And what's crazy is that this store with this has been able to generate some pretty insane results, like $7,000 days, up to 30K days. Now, we don't know exactly how accurate this is, but the point here is that by finding these product ideas that are successful at a mass market, you can actually take those and niche it down to a specific segment of people. For example, what this brand is doing this for boats, right? Or other vehicles. I mean, they have a bunch of other vehicles that they do this for. The site is not very good, but the idea is really, really good. So that's what's really cool. And if you have a Shopify store, for example, or you're building a software product, or you're building really anything, a digital product, a service, whatever, this concept can be applied to that. Now, here's why it's really helpful to continuously be open to new ideas, right? Obviously, you should stay focused on your journey and your store and your business, what you're building. But at least for me, right, one of my businesses is an agency where we do performance marketing for 7- and 8-figure brands, mainly 8-figure brands now. And what's really cool is that by gathering all this data, all these different data sets in my mind, when it comes to actually working with these clients, I can really dive into their business and dissect it and really get some powerful ideas that they may not have had otherwise, right? So super powerful, right? And then for a Chemi Lab, which is the research side of that, we just kind of gather all that data and put it in one little community. But even when it comes to e-commerce brands, right? For example, we have a store that we've been showcasing here from scratch that we built. It was really for fun, but now I'm actually starting to take this store quite seriously as it's doing over $1,000 a day. Yesterday, it reached $1,500. And this is a general niche store. It's not a one product store. It's basically a lifestyle business. So there's a lot of different products that we could sell on here. And by getting these product ideas, we'll be able to be original on the cutting edge of new products to source and launch and be able to scale significantly at a really profitable rate. So that's what I'm trying to illustrate in this video at this point. Not that this is like the best product in the world, right? That this is gonna make you a millionaire. That's never the point of the video. It's just to learn how to actually analyze these ideas and how to keep your mind open to everything while at the same time narrowing it down to whatever it is you're focused on. Now, what's really cool about this product in particular, though, is that it's a higher ticket product, so higher average order value product, which is really cool. This one as well right here is cool. So yeah, Shop Hunter, I'll leave the link in the description for it if you want to check it out. I'm going to do an interview with the founder of this really soon. He's an 8-figure e-commerce entrepreneur. That's actually his main business, is his 8-figure e-commerce brands. So him building this product makes a lot of sense. And the way he's building it is very intriguing to me because it really does give you a lot of different ideas for products. And of course, he has all the relevant experience to create a tool that would actually be useful as opposed to just a tool that shows you the same products that everyone else is selling, right? So this is more or less how you should approach business these days, in my opinion at least, is to really focus in on your brand while just continuously learning and taking in things from the world that you can apply to your business and taking in things from successful brands, right? Especially some of the brands that I case study, like I mentioned at the beginning, because those brands are investing massive amounts of money into optimization. And one of the most amazing things that has come out recently for entrepreneurs and builders is ChatGPT. Honestly, ChatGPT is incredible. We've been using it so much in our business these days. And we even have a cheat sheet for the Accumulab community where we created basically standard operating procedures for all the different ChatGPT prompts that we use, as you see. So we're consistently adding more value to the community. And when you do join, you do get lifetime access. So that's kind of the innovation that we're doing when it comes to actually building this community. We're removing the gurus. We're making it data-driven, research-driven, and showcasing real battle-tested experiments, as well as value like this. But I hope that this concept that I just shared with you will lead you to find a great product to sell, or will lead you to create a business that will actually be successful, right? Sometimes it really is just the flip of a switch, just one little piece of information that just unlocks a whole set of ideas or a whole path for you to pursue in the future that will lead somewhere pretty cool. I'm rambling a little bit, but that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.